yung grave threat, for me, that is not an impeachable offense. Granting it is an impeachable offense, hindi din matatawag na grave threat yung ginagawa ni Vice President. Kasi that was only a response of a future attack against her. It is not an attack against yung inutusan niya, yung allegedly na inutusan niya. Kasi I repeat, withdraw the case, otherwise I will kill you. Okay? Hindi yun ang sinasabi. Ang sabi ni Vice President, patayin mo sila kung patayin nila ako. A statement of self-defense. And that is not a crime. In fact, ang self-defense per se is justified circumstance. Kung may napatay ka isang tao in defense of yourself, hindi yan crime, justified yan. How much more na isang allegedly grave threat but only a response to a future attack against the speaker, against the vice president, is the one speaking eh. So that is not grave threat. So kailangan kasi itong mga senator judges natin, kailangan malaman nila ano ba talaga ang definition ng grave threat under the revised penal code. Dapat hindi lang sila makikinig sa yung NBI agent kasi halata-halata na yung NBI agent parang dahil sa daming tinatanong, hindi nila na alam ang the basic of the definition of grave threat. And that is tinuturo kasi yan sa criminal law 2 ng law school. So baka nakalimutan na niya, hindi na sila practice. That's why binabasa natin, ano ba yung tinatawag na conditional grave threat. And that is not a conditional grave threat yung sinasabi ni Vice President. Kasi, bakit? It is only a response of future attack against her. Not against the one ordered by her to do the killing.
Maliban